Welcome back to Mountain Man's Garage. So, we got another gift from our friends over in China. We now have the Salem Master 3816 Pro, 14-inch bar, 38cc motor. So, let's open it up, see what all we got. Okay, we got our bar with our cover, instruction manual, which, a heads up, I've already talked to the manufacturer. The instruction manual, they're not happy with it. There is a new one available on Amazon to download free. I will include a link in the description for that. That comes because this saw also has the dogs to dig into the log, but it only comes with one screw. So it caught me off guard. Well, it turns out there is a screw that we got to take. It shares a screw with the muffler. So, get that out of the way and hide that styrofoam from the chickens, because they like to eat it. And our little gas can as well. Same thing we're used to seeing in the packages. Out of the wrapper here for you. Okay, so let's take a look at our new toy. So we got a plastic cover. Feels like we got a lot of plastic shields. Screw-on style air cleaner cover. Plastic side shield. So we got a primer bulb, got a choke, and let's see. Yep, with throttle catch or on off. Okay, here's something different in this design. I'm sorry about the poor lighting, I'll show you again in the morning. We got our gas and oil mix here, and our bar oil goes back here. So they got those marked. So, okay. So that's a nice little to-do. Open up our chain here. Now I did look ahead at this. That's how I knew that something was off. And I am in communication with the manufacturer, so I was able to message them and go, hey, what's up with this? Why am I only getting one screw? I could pick one up locally, and that's when they told me about the muffler sharing a screw with the dog on this one. Our nice shiny new bar. Yep. Beautiful. Perfect. I love the color scheme. It's so retro 1970s. I just love it. And it's bright. You know, I've shown you the other saws, and they are easy to see in the woods. And I just dropped a nut in the duck pond. So I'll have to go retrieve that here in a minute. Well, actually, that's the dog water, but same thing. It's a kiddie pool. It's been getting pretty hot, so we wanted the dogs to be comfortable. Okay. And got our little spacer washer we got to take out so the bar will fit. And then right here, you can see there's the screw we need to take out so we can put the dog in. There's the wrong side out. It's probably this one. Hey, winner chicken dinner. Okay. So I'll take this screw out. Oh, you know what? It looks like they actually put a little heat shield here for the muffler on this one. That is part of what that screw's holding on. So, they have made one of the changes that I requested. Okay. So, let's see. I don't think it's going to sit under there. I think we're going to have to go over top. Let's see. We'll take out the handy dandy instruction book that's not quite good enough, as they say. Let's see. How to start your chainsaw. That's always a good one. Chain tension. Okay. And I see what they're talking about. This is for the bigger saw, not the small saw. And I'm guessing, if anyone actually reads all this, yeah, I will look at the online book, because yeah, this is for the larger saw, so I can understand why they don't like that one. So for now, I'm going to put this over, because I do see a raised lip here, and it does not appear there's a raise on this one, so I think they're setting it up to go over. And if not, I will read through their instruction book tonight. I apologize for not doing that ahead of time, but I will correct it tomorrow if I need to. And it's been a couple of long days at work, so we're doing this. It's almost 10 o'clock at night, so we're not going to fire it up tonight, but I will do that for you in the morning, or as soon as I can tomorrow. I may end up having to work last minute overtime, so we'll see. Alright. There we go. There we go. Okay, that's all tightened up now. Okay. Now, take a bar. Set it there. Oh, I wrapped it up right. And actually unwound it right the first time. So, pretty nice little chain. Again, it's only a 38cc motor, so I'm not expecting the world, but I'm expecting a pretty healthy little lemon saw with how their bigger saws perform. I really can't wait to try this one out. Because if you spend any time in the woods cutting, like I do, sometimes a smaller saw is actually nicer to have. So I was really excited when they said they were gonna give me a chance to try this one out. The adjuster's way too far forward, so we'll back it up. That bar wrench is actually heavier than the other ones they've sent. I think someone might have told them they were getting a little too light duty. Getting closer. It's really far off. Almost there. It's a fine thread, that's for sure. There we go. And we'll put this one on here, just to hold it in place. And we'll start running this up. There we go. Alright, and I will go down and retrieve the other nut out of the dog water dish. That's good. Yeah, I like that. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Quick retrieve. Well, means it landed in the dog water. Does that mean I'm a nut retriever? Or just crazy? I don't know. If I can get my fingers to work, that would be a miracle tonight. There we go. Yeah, good and snug. There we go. Yeah, nice and tight. And it does roll. Okay. There we go. So, fully assembled. Cute little thing. Yeah. I can't wait to get this thing fired up tomorrow. I wish it wasn't so late. I'd do it tonight. But, there it is. The Salem Master 3816. And, yeah. So, we'll see you in the morning and get her fired up. Broke in. And I'm planning on cutting tomorrow, so we'll put it through its paces. Have a good night.